Hey everybody, if you're watching this video, you're getting ready to do your first day of digital learning. I'm going to go through and get you prepared for your math lesson today. You do have an iReady lesson that you're going to be working on. It's probably going to take you about 20 or 30 minutes to get through it, but we're actually going back to Unit 1. So we're going to be looking at positive, negative numbers, looking at integers, and how we add and subtract them. So I just want to review with you real quick. If you're one of my students, Miss Kays, Miss Wrights, Miss Durham, whoever, welcome aboard. I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope this will kind of refresh your memory. All right. So we have two rules that we really go through and we look at when we're dealing with adding and subtracting integers. All right. One of the first things we always look at is the signs of the numbers. So if I give you, for example, 3 plus 4, all right, we circle our numbers. 3 is a positive number, 4 is a positive number. So remember what our rule is. If we have the same sign, we're going to add those numbers and keep that sign. So 3 plus 4 would give us 7. And since both of these are positive, my answer would also be positive. All right. So if I give you negative 8 plus negative 3, okay, once again, circle your numbers. I have a negative 8, and I also have a negative 3. Well, negative plus a negative, they're the same sign. They're both negative. So we're going to add 8 plus 3 gives me 11. And I keep my sign. Since those are both negative, my answer should also be negative. All right, so negative 8 plus negative 3 would give us negative 11. All right, now, that's if we have same sign. Okay, same sign's real easy. Add them up, keep the sign. All right, what if we have different signs? All right, so if I have, for example, negative 8 plus 2, all right, I have different signs now. So negative 8, so that's negative, and I also have a positive 2. All right, these signs are different. So when our signs are different, what we do is we subtract, and then you want to keep the sign of the bigger number, or the one that's got the bigger absolute value. So 8 minus 2 gives us 6. 8 has a bigger absolute value. It's further away from 0 than 2. So since that has the bigger absolute value, we keep that sign. So our final answer would be negative 6. Okay? So that's really your two main rules. Same sign or different sign. Now, you could get an example that looks like this. Don't let this confuse you. If you have negative 4 minus 3, I see a lot of people get confused with this, but look, remember, circle your number, keep your sign. So this is going to give us negative 4, and then the second number right here is negative 3. Okay, so you actually have two negatives here. So you're going to actually add these, which would give us 7, and you're going to keep your sign because it's same sign. So this should be a negative 7 for our answer. Okay? Now, the very last rule that we need to look at is what to do when you have a double negative. And this should be pretty familiar to you guys. You've seen this quite a bit this year. So if I give you, for example, 10 minus negative 3, and I'm going to put that negative 3 in parentheses. Okay, if we have that double negative in the middle, just remember, we turn that double negative into a positive. So now, if I circle my numbers, I have a positive 10, and I also have a positive 3. So 10 plus 3, same sign, okay? So we're going to add, and we're going to keep our sign. So 13, and since these are both positive, my answer is positive, okay? So hopefully this will help you refresh your memory on adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. Hopefully this will help you out and that you'll be able to complete your iReady assignment. If you need help, please feel free to message me on Schoology, email me. Same thing if you're in Miss Kays, Miss Wright's, or Miss Durham's class. We're all available for you from 9:30 till 12, and then also from 1 to 3. So if you need us, please message us. We are there to help you. And hopefully this video helped you out. And I will see you tomorrow. I will provide you with another video to get you ready for day 2. So everybody stay safe till then, and I'll see you later.